Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. I am hoping that you all are fine. So guys, in this video, I will discuss about the required skills to grow our career. As a CMA student, we want to learn which kind of skills we need to require to grow our career after completing CMA final. Whenever we are going into the corporate world practice or we are finding the job opportunity in public sector undertaking PSU. So which kind of skills required I will discuss about in this video. I have noted on in front of me. I can assure that these kind of skills you have to learn slowly and gradually, but you have to work on these kind of skills to grow your career. So we are starting now. First of all, guide every CMA student, if are in the stage of foundation, intermediate or final, should think about to clear CMA as soon as possible. Okay, although if you are taking attempt, do not worry about, but as a intention we should complete our CMA as soon as possible. Please understand the importance. Suppose think that if you complete CMA in the age of 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, you have a time to move here and here. Okay, you can, in the meantime, you can start your practice, you can go with the PSU, you can go with the corporate world. Okay, you can say that take some risk. Okay, in the early stages there is no responsibility. Okay, so please understand, if you're talking about me, I have completed my CMA in the stage of 22. So as of now I am also doing some research. Okay, so you can also do the same thing. So please understand that you need to complete CMA as soon as possible. The second important thing, you can say that the skills required to grow your career, if you're doing a job in PSU, MNC, domestic company, or if you want to start your own practice firm. So first, the most important skills required is Excel, advanced Excel. Okay, nowadays you can understand that Excel is, the importance of Excel is everywhere. If you want to start practice, PSU, domestic company, or in MNC. Okay, so advanced Excel is required. I have already prepared a video, the free YouTube channel, the free best YouTube channel available, those providing free advanced, or you can advanced Excel classes free of cost. I have already prepared from the playlist, you can see. Okay, apart from this, guys, the important skills required is SAP. The importance of SAP you can understand from the intention of our mother CMA Institute itself. They have also included in their curriculum CMA intermediate level. They are providing free SAP training to CMA intermediate. They have understand the importance of SAP. Organization, corporate world are demanding those CMA qualified, those have you can see that knowledge of SAP. So please understand the importance of SAP. SAP, you can see that the backbone. SAP Advanced Excel is the backbone. The third skills which required is English communication. Okay, as a normal communication, as a English communication. So we can understand English is a, you can say, the communication language. Okay, if we want to communicate with other, those not understand the Hindi language. Okay, so please understand the importance of English. Slowly and gradually we can improve our English communication. If you're talking about me as a person, you can say that. So from class first through class 12, I have studied from government school. Okay, and till now I am also improving my English, and slowly with the help of YouTube, each and everything is covered. I have also prepared a video, the free best English YouTube channel available. With the help of you, free of course, you can easily improve your English. Nowadays I am also improving my English, and you can also improve your English, but you have to understand the importance of advanced Excel, SAP knowledge, and English communication. The fourth, you can say that the fourth skills required, mail writing. Please understand the mail writing skills. Writing mail in your training is not, you can, either easy. Okay, there is no such kind of you can say skills required. But if you are in a corporate world after completing CMA, so lot many people have expectation from you. You have to improve your skill. Okay, mail writing skills, slowly it will improve. In the initial stage, when you were face problem writing mail to the onshore team or to the USA persons, so in the initial you will feel some hesitation, or you will feel some problem. Okay, but in the initial stage your other colleague, team member, your reporting manager will help you. But slowly you have to understand the importance of mail writing, or you have to improve. Okay, in the initial stage I have also faced the mail writing problem. Okay, so mail writing in corporate, in MNC, is totally different in training or domestic culture. Okay, so please understand the four pillar or backbone: advanced Excel, mail writing, English communication, or SAP knowledge. Okay, Institute has itself introduced their SAP for every category of student, other professional, CMA qualified, CMA final, or CMA inter student. Institute itself providing free of cost. Okay, for other they are providing the paid charges. And if you ask to any sportsman, any Bollywood star, or any businessman, the four pillar of success, so you can you will always receive the answer is patience, hard work, consistency, and conservative. And first of all, patience, consistency, persistence, and hard work. Okay, these are the four pillar to get success. Okay, please understand the importance of patience. persistence, dridta, you have a dridta, okay, consistency and hard work. Hard work is the pillar to get your success. So you need to build from starting itself, okay. It will help you whenever you enter into corporate world to grow your career. And if you're talking about your you have skills required, learning skills, or you have to work on skills, okay. And after completing CMA, you are if you are not thinking about in which you if you want to start your career in practice, in MNC, or in corporate world, or in PSU. So my suggestion to you, after completing final, you should start job 1 or 2 years, okay. And during the job you have to find out your passion, okay. If you want to start practice, if you want to go teaching, if you want to do with continue your career with MNC, okay, or PSU. Apart from this, you can also choose any other area in which you are feeling, or if you want to continue your career, okay. And the important skills is that, suppose after completing final, if you want to complete CMA or other courses like CA, CS, CPA, CFA, ACCA, CIMA London, and CMA USA. So you can you can go with these courses, okay. But if you're asking about my personal suggestion, so my personal suggestion, I do not believe on getting more and more degrees. My suggestion to you, you have to work on other kind of skills, okay. You have to be nowadays the era of technological or tech era. You have to more technological era. My suggestion to you, it is my personal opinion or personal suggestion, rather getting more and more degree, you have to work on other skills, okay. If you have one degree and you have other skills, I can assure that you can easily grow your career, okay. You can pursue 1 or 2 more degree, but you do not go with the degree. It is my personal opinion or my personal suggestion. You can understand that Oyo, the owner, the CEO of Oyo, Ola, they are educated, but they are not run for the degree. They have to learn skills, okay. The patience is required, persistency, consistency, and hard work, okay. If we fail in some time, we give up, okay. We never give up, okay. We have to build a habit of never give up, okay. So hope you like these skills, or these kind of skills required to grow your career or to become a good man, okay. So after watching this video, you have any doubt, you can ask me. And if you're new to this channel, so please subscribe. Such kind of strategies, motivation strategies, all kind of update related with the CMA in this channel I will bring, okay. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, and if you want, you can share with your friends or any Facebook, WhatsApp, or any other group, okay. And if you want to convey any other topic on which I need to make a video, I will make a video shortly, okay. And if you have any doubt, in the comment section you can ask me. Surely I will try to help you. From my side, that's all about in this video. Bye guys.